I'm going to put pea in Cookie Cutie's drink.
I'm thirsty, let's get some apple juice. Wow. I'm still thirsty. Oh no. I have to go to the bathroom.
Now is my chance. Now let's see Cookie Cutie's reaction on the security cameras.
Ew. That's so disgusting. Ew. Why is the drink all yellow? I need to check the security cameras.
Oh no! I got to get out of here. I think I'm safe.
Let's check the security cameras.
I'm going to put pea in Cookie Cutie's drink.
What? How could this be Charlie? Charlie has never misbehaved before. I think that Charlie is going to start misbehaving now. I must get my revenge. But how? I got it. I will make extremely loud music his ears. Right. Let's do this.
Hi, Cookie Cutie.
Guess what?
What?
I did get credit that what murdered.
What was that for?
That's because I caught you peeing in my drink on the security cameras. And I'm telling Mum.
Oh, I'm so screwed.
Mum.
Yes, Cookie Cutie?
Charlie put pee in my drink, so I got my revenge by making very loud music in his ears.
Wow. Cookie Cutie. I knew someone was going to misbehave and I was going to do that as a punishment, and Cookie Cutie. You helped me. So you are ungrounded. Now go to Gus Games and grub.
Yay 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 yay. Gus's Games and grub, here I come.
Oh. Charlie. How dare you put pee in Cookie Cutie's drink? That's it. You're grounded for 1 month. Go to sleep now.